The news on CBS 2.
With this break in the weather, now is the time to get a jump start on your spring cleaning. CBS 2's Dorothy Tucker has a few tips to scrub away the stress of getting organized.
This is Marcy Miller. These are her children, and this is their mess.
Being a busy mom with 4 kids, I find it tough to keep things organized. We have a lot going on.
Marcy needs help getting organized, so expert Alicia Rockmore came to the rescue.
If you find the most important 20% that you want to spring clean, it will solve 80% of your headaches.
No matter what room you're in. For Marcy, the pantry is a major headache.
We've got toys, we've got trash. It's no lie. Let's get started. So help me.
First order of business, break out the trash bags.
Put a trash can in every single room. The easier it is to throw stuff out, the easier it will be for people to do it.
Next, toss or donate anything you haven't used in 6 months.
Candy canes. Do you really still need them?
Finally, stock up on shelves, baskets, and square plastic bins. They make it easy to stack and store.
So you can take something like this and literally dump it in, get rid of this. It's not worth much in terms of
and they're clear, so you can see what's in them.
Exactly.
Rockmore says bins and foldable hampers also make it easy for the little ones to lend a hand.
Is give each of you your own container to put your stuff in. I want you to go around and start putting clothes in there.
Miller says with Rockmore's help and a little elbow grease, she'll head into spring with a smile.
Everything in my house is now clean and organized, and we had a great time doing it.
Dorothy Tucker, CBS 2 News.
Another tip from Rockmore, prepare for the unexpected. Fill a binder with things like important contact information, financial documents, and insurance information. That way, it's all in one place and easy to find.
Which is important.